Welcome to this happy birthday card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this happy birthday card where all you need is really 2 black pens, and in theory you could do it with just 1 black pen if you really wanted. Here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. Like I just previously mentioned, I ended up using 2 different thicknesses of black pen just to make it a little bit easier. However, if you just have one, that's really all that you need. All of the specific items that I used, including the sizes of the pen, color, details of brand, etc., are all linked in the description box below. The first step is to draw out the lettering and the design on your paper. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have that complete, if you're using 2 different thicknesses of pen, take the thinner of the 2 and start outlining kind of this text or speech box, basically that kind of frames the lettering and the design. Once you have that complete, continue with your same thin black pen and simply outline the lettering and the other various design elements that are inside of this text box here. For this outlining step, I'm using a thin Faber-Castell pen in size S. These Faber-Castell pens are by far my favorite, and I find this S size is perfect for detail or outlining work. Once you have everything outlined, the final step of this card is to simply just color in the background solid black and leave the lettering and other kind of design elements white. For this step, I switched over to a B-sized Faber-Castell pen, that's B as in boy, because it's slightly thicker, and so it just made this step a little bit faster. And once you have the background all colored in, this unique happy birthday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for a really quick and easy happy birthday card, and try making it yourself.